Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will help you understand how to find the LinkedIn Pixel ID from your business LinkedIn account. So what you need to do, you just need to log into your business LinkedIn account, or you can simply type in business.linkedin.com. Once you are on that domain, click on advertise and you will see a sign in button. So click on it, sign in here. Once the page gets loaded, you'll see multiple options here on the left side. So what you need to do, if you have already created conversion ID for LinkedIn, simply click on data, signals manager. You will see inside tag here, click on it. And if you scroll down a bit, you will see how to install your tag. You'll see a piece of code right on your screen. So on the second row, you will see LinkedIn partner ID with some numerical numbers. That is your LinkedIn ID. So just copy it and paste it to your respective channel if you are using WordPress, WooCommerce or Shopify. For more such content and videos, do subscribe our YouTube channel because we will be coming up with more videos for your help only. Thank you for watching.